What's up, fam? Welcome to Sammy FX. In today's video, we're going to be diving right into market behavior and how the market really flows. But first, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and also like and share with your friends also. Okay, now market behavior. The market moves in 4 stages. Now, your ability to be able to understand these 4 stages gives you an edge over the market to know the current stage that you're supposed to trade. Now, what I mean by 4 stages is the market moves in 4 different stages and different directions. Now, check this out. Now, the market moves in accumulation, which is the first stage, and the second is advancing, and the third, distribution, and the declining, which is the last one. Now, an accumulation is a market that is just in one particular spot after a decline of price with no particular direction. This is an accumulation. Now, some persons call this a resistance and a support zone. But now, this is a resistance. This is a support zone. Now, reason being that the market is on this stage, traders are just like, wow, what is the market doing now? What is it going to do? Is it going to break out or is it going to keep coming down? Now, this is a confusion now in between where the market is going or if the market is going to reverse back to its original state. Now, this is an accumulation stage. And when we talk about an advancing stage, the market is actually going up. The market is actually going up. Now it finally gets to the buying climax. That's when we start seeing a distribution phase. The market is not giving us a direction again. The distribution actually happens when the price has moved from an advancing stage. It gets to a distribution stage. Now, from this distribution stage, now traders are confused. Like, is the market still going to keep going up or is it going to keep coming down? Now, when it moves from the distribution, it gets down to the last, which is the declining stage. Now, as a trader of traders of trend traders, we don't trade distribution. Don't trade distribution. What we trade is advancing stage, and also as well as the declining stage. Now, how can we be able to spot the current stage of the market? Now, this helps you out. This is where indicator comes in, and what we're going to be using is the 200-day moving average, 200 MA. It tells you the current stage of the market. Now, a simple way to get this 200 MA, you simply click here. Sorry, yeah. Let me delete it so I can place it back. Now my chart is playing, so let's get the 200 MA back. Go down. Yes. And you always leave it on 50. Let me take this back. Always leave it on 50. So now 200 MA tells you the current stage of the market. Now, in the accumulation stage, the 200 MA is flattening in between the prices. You can see it here. It's flattening between the prices. While in an advancing, 200 MA is below the price and the price is above the 200 MA. And when it gets to distribution phase, the price is always at the middle. It's flattening between the prices. The 200 MA is flattening between the prices. And for the declining stage, the prices are below the 200 MA. Okay. Now, let me quickly say this. No trader should be doing this analysis on the lower time frame. That's not a good setup. Whenever you want to do your setup, you go to the higher time frame and you take it gradually down to the lower time frame to place your entries. Entries should be based on just the lower time frame, while analysis should be based on the higher time frame. Because if you're able to get the big picture of where the market is, I think you'll be able to trade better the lower time frame, knowing where to enter your market and place your risks according to what you're willing to risk. Please don't risk above what you're supposed to risk, because it has a way of affecting your emotions most of the time. Okay, so traders, we trade trend and we don't trade accumulation. So when the market gets to this accumulation stage, the best part for traders is to wait and know the direction the market takes. And what happens here, let me zoom a little bit close. We saw a break of structure here. The market actually broke, came back and started moving up. Okay, before I continue, please, in case you have not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And also, if this is the first video you're watching, I dropped a video earlier before about market structure, so I think you should get the video and watch it. I'll drop the description between the link of the description of that video in this video also, so you'll be able to know and follow us up. Okay, that's just it about it. Please, if you have any comment, don't forget to say. Thank you.